Dear student, class 7 English version. Today I will discuss election system of Bangladesh. Election is one of the most important founding principle of democracy. We can say it. Election is one of the important basis of democracy. In this system, the citizen get the option to elect their representative from more than one candidate. We can say the citizen choose their favorable candidate among the others. The election is held through secret ballot. In our country, election is held through secret ballot. The winner in the result of election from the local and national government, they participate in the legislation and administration of the country. Actually, who will be winner in the election? He will be operate the legislation and administration of the country. In our country, election are held for Union Parishad, Upazila Parishad, municipality, city corporation, national parliament, and presidency. Election creates, it is very important for your MCQ, the bridge between the government and citizen. A country can reap the real benefit of democracy only if the freest people are elected through a free fair election. A free fair election is required for a better administration of a country. Lesson 1. Concept of election, its necessity and system. Concept of election. Generally speaking, election is a process or system through which the citizen with voting rights of a country can elect their representative. Actually, the citizen go to the polling center and collect the ballot paper and give their valuable votes for their choosing person. In other words, election is a constitutional process. Actually, it's a constitutional process because in our constitution, the section number 1118 is the election system is included in 1118. This process enables the voters of a country to choose their candidates or representative to administer the country. This needs the active support of the government. Necessity of election. Today, it is no more possible. It is no more possible that all inhabitants of a town or country will participate directly in legislation and administration. In Greece, we observe this type of system. All people gather and and participated in legislation and administration because the people size is very small. The previous ancient city. For this, the people elect their representative who conduct the state affairs on their behalf. Because nowadays the people of the population of countries size is big, so it is not possible all people gathered and will participate directly in legislation and administration. But at present, on the behalf of the people, the candidate will will participate the election, and he or she elected by the people. This election of representative is ranked. Actually, the representative election, it's called representative election. The election of representative is ranked through voting. Besides choosing their representative, people also express their opinion about the kind of administrative system they want for themselves. Actually, the representative, through the representative, we see the people's demand, we see the people's attitude, disliking, likings. From this point of view, there is no alternative to election in a modern state. Democracy is regarded as the most effective of system prevailing in the world. Now, an election is the foundation of democracy. It is very important for your MCQ. According to democracy, every decision has to include the opinion of the citizen or population. Election is the main and legal way of expressing that opinion. Therefore, democracy cannot run without election. How many kinds of election? Election are of two kinds. There are direct election and indirect election. When the citizen elect their representatives directly through casting their votes, the election is called direct election. People go to the polling center and elect their choosing person by the voting through the casting their votes. Members of the national parliament are elected through direct election in our country. Besides, local administrators like chairman, members of union parishad, chairman and members of Upazila Parishad, mayor, councillor of municipalities and city corporation are elected through this kind of election. Indirect election, in this process, citizens don't elect their representative through casting direct votes. Here the process is done in two phases. First, citizens elect their members for an intermediary body through direct voting. Then these members elect the ultimate representative through their votes. The president and members of reserved seat for how many seats for reserve in our national parliament for women? 50 are elected through indirect election. The president of Bangladesh is not elected by direct vote of the citizen. They elect the members of Jatiya Samsad during the national election. These members elect the president through their voting. Similarly, the member for reserved seats for women are not also elected directly by the citizen. The elected members of Jatiya Samsad can cast their votes in electing these members. Look, direct election. Voters direct casting of votes and elected representative. Voters go to the polling center and they select or direct casting their votes and elect the representative. Direct election system. Indirect election system, voter actually this process, voter go to the polling center and select their choosing their person, and this person first election, this person are called the representative of the national parliament, and they will make a intermediary body. We know 300 constituency of our country, and 300 members will be selected in different district of the country or different constituency, and they make a intermediary body or representative body. And second election, this body will select the president and 50 reserved seats women, and these members called this process is called the indirect election. And so we can say this is first time election and this is second time election process. And who are elected? These are the ultimate representative. At first time, people go to the polling center, select their or choosing their favorable person and elect their representative. This representative make a intermediary body, and these people second time will vote the president and a reserve seat for 50 women, and this system, the president and 50 reserve seats women are selected. These are the ultimate representative. National and local election process in Bangladesh. The people of Bangladesh elect their representative for national and local bodies through votes. This representative from government in national and local level. So national and local level administrative development activities. National election, generally there are 3 elections held at the national level. How many elections are held in the national level? 3 elections. Jatiyo সংসদ election, at first one, Jatiyo সংসদ election. The national legislature of Bangladesh is called Jatiyo সংসদ. What is the name of our national legislature of Bangladesh? Jatiyo সংসদ. There are 350 seats in the parliament. How many seats? Total 350 seats in this parliament. 300 members of this parliament are elected through the direct voting of the country-wide adult franchise. Actually, we have 300 constituencies in our country, and 300 members will be selected through the people's vote or adult franchise. Again, these elected members cast their vote in electing members for the rest 50 seats for women. Although elected for a particular locality, each of these 350 members is a representative of the country as well. They legislate and conduct policy making for the what are they doing? Actually, they legislate and conduct policy making for the country. The government of Bangladesh is formed on the basis of majority of the member of Jatiyo সংসদ. Considering all this is the most important election of our country, because the government will be made among the majority of members of Jatiyo সংসদ. Election of the president. The election of the president is also national level election. Although it is an indirect election, members of Jatiyo সংসদ are elected through adult franchise. These members on their part elect their president of Bangladesh for how many years? 5 years terms through their votes. Referendum. Referendum is held for taking the opinion of. Actually, referendum means public opinion. Public opinion of public, or the validation of any important issue. This election does not have any fixed time or term. It can be held anytime to meet the necessity. Local election. There are a number of local government under the central government in order to conduct local administration as well as development activities in a proper way. Local administration. These are union, Upazila Parishad in the rural areas, and municipality and city corporation in towns and city. What is here is a question, what is municipality? Actually, municipality means it is not under the city corporation or city areas. Following it is a decision on this local election. Union Parishad. Union Parishad are village based. At present, there are 4,553 unions in the country. Each union has one chairman. How many members in Union Parishad? One chairman, 9 general members, and 3 reserved seat for female members. They are elected for 5 years. How many years they are elected for? For 5 years term in direct votes of the inhabitants of concerned area. Upazila Parishad. At present, there are 490 upazilas in the country, meaning 490 upazila parishad. Each parishad is constituted with their how many members included in this parishad? A chairman, 2 vice chairmen. Out of the 2 vice chairmen, one is elected as a reserve for females. Upazila chairman is elected through direct votes of the allocated area for 5 years. Paurasabha. Municipal corporation. Paurasabha is an urban based local government. There are 325 Paurasabhas in the country. How many Paurasabhas are there in the country? 325. Each Paurasabha has one member. How many people included there? One mayor, a number of councillors, and some reserved female councillor. All of them are elected through direct votes of the locals for 5 years. How many years? 5 years. City corporation. There are total 11 metropolitan cities in Bangladesh. How many metropolitan cities are there in Bangladesh? 11. These are Dhaka North, Dhaka South. We already know who is the mayor of Dhaka North and Dhaka South. Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, Barishal, Kumilla, Rangpur, Narayanganj, Gazipur and Sylhet. City corporation is headed by a mayor. Each city corporation is divided into several wards. Each ward has one councillor. Inhabitants of the city elected mayor and councillor for how many years? 5 years. Who is the main person or who is headed by the city corporation? A mayor. Jila Parishad. There is one Jila Parishad in each of the 61 districts except the 3 hilly district. How many hilly district? 3 hilly district. Each Parishad consists of 1 chairman, 15 general members and 5 female members in reserved seat. Total members, how many total members of the Jila Parishad? 21. All of them are elected through indirect voting by mayors and councillor of Paurasabha and city corporation and chairman and members of Union Parishad and Upazila Parishad under the Jila. The term for each Jila Parishad is 5 years. Here is a question. There is no participation, there is no public participation in this process. Only general member, female members, each episode, and mayor, councillor of Paurasabha, city corporation, and members of Union Parishad, they will be vote the and elect the Jila Parishad members. Jila Parishad of hilly district. There are 3 hilly districts in Bangladesh, like Rangamati, Khagrachuri and Bandarban. There is a hilly district Jila Parishad in each of them, which is constituted with the chairman, a definite number of ethnic minority and Bengali members. They are directly elected by the inhabitants of the hilly Jila for 5 years. By-election, it is very important in our country. By-election. A fresh election is held. It will be said in the question, what do you mean by, it can be said a question, but what do you mean by by-election? A fresh election is held for new members of representative when a seat falls vacant due to death of the elected representative for the seat, or his resignation, or any other issue or reason. This is called by-election. A by-election can be held for any seat belonging to local or national level. For example, a cabinet member or MP member of parliament suddenly died, then the post of the members vacant, then election commissioner call a by election in for this constituency. Election Commission, constituency and code of conduct. The institution that organize and arrange the election is called Election Commission. What is Election Commission? Here is a question. There is one such commission in Bangladesh too. It has one chief election commissioner and several commissioners appointed by the president. Who appoints the election commissioner? Election commissioner means CEC, Chief Election Commissioner. CEC, Chief Election Commissioner. They serve the commission for 5 years from their date of joining. The main responsibility of commissioner is to conduct the election of national and local level. The election commission has to do many other related things to do effect of fair conduct of each election. Following chart focus their making updating the voter list. What type of work have been done by the will have done by the election commission? Making a updating the voter list, conduct all election and by election, allocating the election symbol. Actually they allocates the election symbols among the candidates, fixing the constituency, setting up the polling center where the polling center will be set up, preparing the code of conduct and printing the ballot paper when the ballot paper is will be print, making ballot boxes, and right time they ensure the ballot boxes for the polling centers and polling officer. Smooth imposition of code of conduct, taking votes and declaring the result. Actually CEC, Chief Election Commissioner, announced the result and or declaring the result. Closing the election feuds. Constituencies. The whole country is divided into specified areas for the sake of electing representatives. Each of this area is called constituency. What is constituency, or what do you mean by constituency? Borders of such constituency vary from election to election according to the nature of election. For example, the country is divided into 300 constituencies for the election of Jatiya Sanshad. Similarly, constituency for city corporation, upazila, Paurasabha, union parishad are specified representative local borders. The election commissioner specifies the area. A voter of an area cannot cast his vote in another area. Say for example, you are staying or live in Mirpur, you cannot casting your vote in Dhanmondi areas. Conduct of the election and declaration of the result are also done according to the election area. Conduct, code of conducts for election. It is very important for election. One of the important tasks of the election commissioner is to prepare a code of conduct for election. Election. Peaceful. It is a peaceful environment is a prerequisite for free and fair election. With this aim in view, election commission prepares a list of principles of how the people of the constituency would behave. This is the code of conduct. The following list highlights some of these election code of conduct. No procession or rally. No procession or rally is permitted when submitting the uh, nomination paper. Nomination paper, it means the actually I want to say it is the uh, legal paper to fight the election of a candidate. No procession or rally is not permitted. Um, Procession or rally is not permitted when submitting the nomination paper. Writing on the wall or striking poster on the wall is not allowed. Meeting cannot be held on the streets or and roads. Sometimes we see the meeting and rally will be made, will make a traffic jam. So we have to avoid this or follow the election code of conduct. Posters can be hung on cards and placards can be used. Only poster can be hung or codes and placard can be used. No gates and lighting for publicity are permitted. The candidate cannot or will not lighting for publicity. Motorcycle or any other vehicle is not permitted to rally. Voters cannot gift with anything and served with tea or drinks in the camps. Actually, voters will not give anything for the vote for the election purpose. The candidates or in the camps, deliver in the camp. Lesson 4: Vote and casting vote, rules of contest in election. Qualification of a voter: any person has to have the following qualities in order to become a voter in any election in Bangladesh. He or she must be a citizen of Bangladesh. He or she must be 18 years age. Or above. He or she must be an inhabitant of the election area or constituency. He or she not be insane, mental disability, was not declared bankrupt by any court. So this is the disqualification of any candidate, bankrupt or insane. So this is the voting qualities of voting, qualities of a voter. So if you have any question or any query, please contact with me. Okay, Allah.